Hello, I've got in front of me this rather magnificent Wingamm Oasi 610 GL motorhome monocoque design, monocoque build, and very unique Italian design inside. This vehicle, I believe, is also available in the United States. What it can offer is this enormous, absolutely enormous living area in a vehicle of this size. It's huge table there, sitting around the table, very large kitchen, and with a fridge below. And this space is all thanks to the fact that the bed has been put above. Look at the size of that sink, and we've got two burners over here as well. The bed is up here, it'll drop down, there's a ladder and you get into bed via the ladder. Even when the bed has dropped down, there is still quite a lot of space below should somebody want to still continue sitting down there. Well, it's not particularly comfortable, but I mean it still is possible. If I come here now to the back, we've got here an additional single bed. I suppose you could also use this space, take the mattress out and use also as storage, would you so inclined. Drawer there. Here we have access to the garage, which is down there. We'll see that from the outside. In here we will find a large toilet, washroom, and plenty of space to stand up in the shower, and whilst using the toilet and keep an eye on what's going on outside on the campsite. Moulded sink, storage below. It's got one centrally placed drainage position, but it is a proper domestic size, and there is a duckboard that goes with it as well. Also note it's got a non-slip surface as well, or non-slip or anti-slip, or helps you not to slip, whatever they're called. Over here we have a wonderful large wardrobe with drawers below. This is what happens now. I've been filming for a while now and I start getting my words mixed up. And door comes with an integrated fly net as well. Here you can see what the score is with your electricity, how much water you've got in, and the likes. Now something like this you could it's more or less manufactured to order, so you could order the battery capacity that you needed within reason, of course. Right, let's have a look at the outside. Because the important part of this is the fact that we've got this garage here, and so if I had the choice of being given one of these three, I'd take this one. The reason I take this one is because of this, because of the garage, and get a bicycle in there. And as much as I like these smaller one, the problem is for me as a hardcore cyclist, I couldn't actually use the vehicle for lack of space for a bicycle. Anyway, good. Note also monocoque shape. There's no joints or anything like that. This part here, the body is made in a sort of a special mold. These things are, as a rule, much more expensive. It's joined to the front bit down here, and you can scarcely see where the joint. Well, there's a joint there, but I mean, the here, but the reason why they're so much more expensive because of the molds, which are particularly expensive to actually produce. Right, good. So I'll now show you a smaller vehicle, this one here, which is a 540.1, which is the smallest of all of them. About 140,000. All of these are in 140,000 euro mark. In the United States, it's $200,000 approximately. Depends. I mean, it depends on the kit and what's available. And one thing I will point out is that there are 4 belted positions, and same in the other vehicle, there's the 2 belted positions, but down here, if somebody's actually sitting there, that part of the chair is removed, and that's quite standard practice now all over Europe. Similar in here, except for the washroom, which now has got a window out the back, and so this is only for 2 people, so there's no bed at the back, and there is the storage and storage below. And I shall show you the third one, which is here, all at a comparatively similar price. This one here sleeps 4. It's got a side bed and walk inside. In this case, now we've taken out the chair to demonstrate what happens when you use the belted positions here, but a very similar design once more with the bed above. Here, wardrobe and washroom here. Look how big it is as well. With storage around. So this is this is the luxury hall at the CMT Stuttgart, and the so this vehicle very much is a luxury vehicle, and with this big advantage of the monocoque shell as well. So there you go. Have a look at some of the other luxury vehicles. This is just before the fair opens. We've got the Sky Dancer, done this in great detail. We have this Vanix here, which is a rather unusual camper van. X-Bull here, Mobil. We've got Morello, we've got Phoenix, we've got Silver Dream, and lots of other in the luxury class. This is a luxury motorhome, is a very small motorhome, but anyway, good. I think I've just about covered it as much as I can say about it. I'll leave some links to other videos I've done on other Wingamm models as well in below. But for the moment, thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in this type of thing, maybe you're interested in getting a motorhome, or I always advise people to buy used motorhomes whenever possible. You can find one of these on the used market. They have been on the go for a very long time. So I upload every day at 21:15 Central European time. I'm based in Poland and in Germany, and this gives me the opportunity to see vehicles like this. For the moment, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.